Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at
circuit symbols and circuit diagrams. So, there are a number of symbols used when we go and draw circuits. So, a switch is something that can be used to open and close a circuit, so turn the circuit on and off. A lamp is something with a filament in it that when it heats up gives out light. A fixed resistor, is a resistor that restricts or limits the flow of electrical current. A variable resistor, however, is one where moving the position of a slider on the resistor changes the resistance. So the variable resistor is used in something like a dimmer switch or a volume control. A thermistor is used to control things with heat, so the resistance of a thermistor depends on its temperature. So at low temperatures, the thermistor has a high resistance. As the temperature increases, that resistance decreases. A light-dependent resistor is a resistor that depends on the light. So the resistance of the light-dependent resistor depends on the light intensity. So at low light levels, the LDR has a high resistance. So as the light intensity increases, the resistance decreases. And a diode or a semiconductor diode allows current to flow in only one direction. So current will not flow in the other direction. So diodes are used to turn, for instance, alternating current into direct current. So moving on to drawing circuits, there are a few different rules that we always follow. Make sure that you are using a ruler. Always ensure that there's either a battery or a cell drawn in the diagram somewhere. And if an ammeter is required, always draw it as part of the same loop as the battery or cell. Whereas if a voltmeter is required, draw it around the component, so in parallel to the component that it wants to measure the voltage of. So if we look at how we would draw some of these circuits, so this circuit would be drawn like that. A circuit that looked like this would be drawn like that. A parallel circuit is a circuit diagram would look something like this. This circuit would look like that. And a circuit with three bulbs in parallel would go and be drawn like that.
Thanks for watching.